This is Trails End, a new attainable housing development just south of downtown Grand Junction, Colorado. Construction is actively underway. Our crews are on site now, doing the dirty work, getting the utilities in and the ground ready for foundations. This is real progress, real execution, real assets coming out of the ground. While site work happens here, the homes themselves are being built simultaneously at the Fôrt Hōmes factory, right here in Grand Junction. This parallel construction is critical. It compresses timelines, reduces risk, and allows us to control both cost and delivery. What we're building here is 30 of our Colorado cottages, designed to be attainable, design forward, 2-bedroom, 1-bath homes. These homes will be placed on the site and be finished as a cohesive community. These homes are intentionally priced in the high $200,000 range. Ask anyone in Grand Junction or in any markets across Colorado, finding a new home in the high 200s is almost impossible. We're changing that. This is true attainable housing for the workforce. Homes for teachers, nurses, working families who are priced out of the traditional options. For investors, Trails End is financed through Fort Lending Debt Fund, offered via Stream 10 platform. This is a construction bridge loan paying 10% interest, secured by land and the homes being built. You're investing as a lender, earning interest with collateral in real property and real housing. This is what investing with clarity looks like. Real projects, real execution, and real impact. If you're an accredited investor and you want to learn more about this loan or Fort Lending Debt Fund, visit us at FortinHome.com.